Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and I apologize. I do have a cold and I am a bit under the weather. Yay, under the weather. Sarcasm alert. All right, so yes, today we are doing two things. We are announcing the winner of the piano rolls and also talking about the giveaway for next week. So if you didn't win this week, you still have a chance to win next week. Yay. Okay, so dun, 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 the winner is username Dan Zorig. All right, you have won the piano rolls. Yay. So I will, dun, 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 I will set those aside, and Dan Zorig, please send me an email. That would be fantastic, or a message through Etsy, whatever your method is. For getting that, my email address is in the description, but it's also klee@root-pursuit.com. The dash kind of messes people up sometimes, but oh well. Okay, so now that we got that done, yay, congratulations. So, and Dan Zorg seemed like they were very excited about the prospect of winning, so congratulations. Yay. All right, so what do we have here? Next week, so this giveaway is December 24th through the 31st, and this is a really good giveaway. Oh, at 9 a.m. So just so you know, we're just gonna do, oh, my paper fell out, my journal. Yeah, we're always going to do 9 a.m. So that's when the comments close, and then after that, I'll post the stuff. So yeah. All right, I'm doing it. I'm giving away my 1800's bundle that I have in my Etsy shop. So if you feel like, hey, well, all right, so let's just go over this. So I do have lots of invoices and accounting. My great grandfather, James H. Gibbs, was owned a general store, and I ended up with a lot of his paperwork from when he owned the store. So 1868 and 1869, these are all dated, so you get 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's pretty exciting. And then lots of book pages. Oh, there's one more thing in here that's from my great grandfather. This blank ledger page. So one of the ledgers had just a few pages entered, and then the rest were blanks. So one of those. Okay, cool. We've got these two lovely book pages from the book City Ballads. We've got this one. It's a little connected one, so these are considered two from my arithmetic reader. This is a poetry book, literature. So this is another reader. Oh, this goes, I don't know, that might be an extra. A little extra bonus. Then a third reader, this lovely illustration on it. Yep, there's that. These 2 pages, illustration. Super old, look at that, that's fun. This book, I don't know what, Discovery and Settlement, that might be what it's called. But anyway, it's got that cool illustration. Got these 2, little illustration. We've got these 2, this is a Polish hymnal. Okay, another reader. This cool hymnal page. This is like a bonus. So this isn't technically considered part of the bundle, but these are Autobahn, original Autobahn. I'm not even sure if these are 1800s. They might be early 1900s. They're very close. Anyway, they're just bonus ones anyway that I'm chucking in there. And then we've got Harper's Monthly Magazine. So these were, this is from like 18, I don't know, how many pages? Okay, 3. So it's like a bound Harper's Monthly Magazine, so you could buy that. It's an antique book of the articles in that, and this is called Bonds Are Out. It was a legal dictionary. Oh, 3 pages. So that's it, the 1800s bundle. You get all those lovelies. It's a very, very cool kit. If you're interested in checking out and getting one of those for your own self, you could check out my Etsy shop where I have those for sale. And if you bought one and then you won one, no harm, no foul. You'd have 2 packs. So just saying. All right, well, so we're hopefully working on my Tea Party journal once I get better. I've added a few things here and there. A few more additions. I don't know if I did that on screen or not. Anyway, this book is coming together quite nicely. I'm loving it. I added that. See all these tabs? These tabs I added. I sewed the buttons on these little tab things. And this, a built-in tab. Oh, I changed that. That was something different in there. I like this better. It's a little calendar. Okay. All right, some stuff. I got a little key I added here. This little deal. Flippy flappy. What else? Lace. I think I did that in the video. Yeah, I did add this little paper clip and this vintage button. Cute. I added some of this liquid pearls, and it's like the same exact color with a little dot in the middle. It's funny. And a little pocket. A little pocket's new. This little fringy deal. What else? What else? This little guy. I need to drink a tea. That's new. Oh, my tea's all gone. Sad day. I'm drinking licorice tea in the morning, and that's really good for colds and flus, and then put in the afternoon. So I really, even though I'm doing this tea journal, I really am a tea drinker. I can't make it through this video. I'll be okay, really. Oh, I sound terrible. I have to go. All right. I wanted to make it to 10 minutes, but it's just not going to happen. It's just not. All right. Well, as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.